Cubano. Tú no eres cubana, tú eres dominicana. Dominicana.
She's gonna smack you.
What's up, Stephanie? What's up, Stephanie? Hi, what's up? How are you? My bun is messed up, but it's okay. No,